Welcome to Technology Thriving. Today we're diving into the latest updates about the iPhone 16. The iPhone 16 boasts a sleek new design. It features a thinner body and a ceramic back. The display is now a stunning 6.7-inch OLED screen with ProMotion technology. This means smoother scrolling and better visuals. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 is powered by the A17 Bionic chip. This ensures lightning-fast performance and efficiency. The battery life has also improved. You can now enjoy up to 20 hours of video playback on a single charge. The camera system has seen significant upgrades. It includes a 108MP main sensor and improved low-light capabilities. New software features like Cinematic Mode and Pro RAW are also available. Face ID is now faster and works at more angles. iPhone 16 comes in 5 stunning colors. You can choose from Midnight Black, Starlight White, Ocean Blue, Sunset Red, and Forest Green. Each color is designed to stand out and make a statement. The finish is sleek and premium, perfect for any style. Apple has made a significant change with the iPhone 16. It now features a USB-C charging port. This means faster charging and better compatibility with other devices. No more carrying multiple cables. This change is a game changer for many users. The iPhone 16 starts at $999 for the base model. The Pro version is priced at $1,199. While it's an investment, the features and performance make it worth every penny. Apple also offers financing options to make it more accessible. The iPhone 16 is a blend of style, innovation, and performance. Whether it's the new colors, the USB-C port, or the competitive pricing, there's something for everyone. That's all for the iPhone 16 updates. Stay tuned to Technology Thriving for more tech news.